Hey everyone, my name's Joe and you're watching Two Quick Boxing, your number one stop for all things boxing. So today I'm going to be doing a little first kind of look video on my brand new Cleto Reyes gloves. These are a pair of 14-ounce Cleto Reyes traditional sparring gloves in the iconic Cleto Reyes red. So I got them today and I'm super happy with them, and here they are. They're just absolutely gorgeous. It's in the classic Reyes red, as you can see. Obviously, you know, this all says Cleto Reyes. It says Reyes Professional, Hecho in Mexico, and as it always does. Obviously, I'm using my selfie camera, so I think the writing will be the wrong way around, unless that autocorrects. But yeah, so here is the glove. I'm going to put both of them on. Sliding my hand into the glove. It fits, no pun intended, like a glove. These are worlds apart from any of the gloves that I've tried. Besides, I did own a pair of Cleto Reyes gloves that were the blue Velcro ones, but even those didn't really compare in comfort to the lace ones. But here's the gloves. The Cleto Reyes traditional gloves in 14-ounce, as you can see, in the classic iconic red colour. The lace-ups are so much more comfortable than the Velcro, from what I remember anyway. The Velcro was a very comfortable glove. It was a very good glove. I got a lot of use out of that, and I did sell it on eBay. I actually got these off of eBay as well. This was sold by, I'm here in the UK, this was sold by an eBay seller called Boxing Geezer, and I got these for a really good price. These retail, I think, at about £300 new. Again, these are the traditional sparring gloves, I believe. But yeah, so taking a look at the glove, you've got that traditional Reyes style ribbed cuff for your laces to go through, like a lace track, similar to what Rival does, but obviously Reyes has been doing this since the 60s with their gloves. You've got that Mexican style thumb, which a lot of people don't like, but I've always really liked. I said that in my review of those blue Velcro Reyes gloves. They'll be in the Two Quick Unboxing and Reviews playthrough playlists on YouTube if you guys are interested. But this is just a little quick unboxing video. I'm not going to go into the glove because I'm going to be doing a full review of these on my channel soon enough. So if you guys are interested, tune into that and you can see me do a full review of these brand new, well, almost like new. New with the exception of a few rounds on the bag by the guy I bought them off, but I know they're pretty much new. They still stink of leather. Really strong, iconic Reyes smell. And if you guys are interested, I'll post this video in the next few days once I've got a few rounds of training in with them or a few sessions in with them, and I'll let you guys know. So thank you for watching. See you guys in a few days with this review, and yeah, catch you guys then.